Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 26th of May 1647, Alse Young of Windsor, Connecticut became the first person to be executed for witchcraft in America. More than 40 years before the famed witch trials of Salem, Massachusetts, Governor John Winthrop recorded the hanging of Alse Young. Referred to in other sources as Alse Young, there are no surviving records of either her trial or the charges of which she was found guilty. Nevertheless, her execution is corroborated by the second town clerk of Windsor, Matthew Grant, who recorded the hanging in his diary. It's likely that Alse Young was married to farmer John Young, who owned a house on Backer Row in Windsor. While searching for evidence to support this theory, local historians found that the town had experienced a substantial rise in the number of deaths during 1647. 27 people are recorded to have died, compared to just 6 the previous year. This has led many to hypothesize that an influenza or similar epidemic hit the town, and that this may explain the accusation of witchcraft. Children of both the local minister and the doctor died in 1647, and based on similar cases, it's possible that they or other notable families used Young as a scapegoat. Young was executed in Hartford on the 26th of May 1647, but the site of the gallows is disputed, as again there's insufficient evidence to confirm any of the possible locations. Nevertheless, Young was not the last Connecticut resident to be executed on charges of witchcraft. At least a further 17 people were arrested over the next few decades, of whom 10 were killed. In early 2017, Windsor Town Council unanimously passed a resolution that formally exonerated both Alse Young and Lydia Gilbert, the second Windsor resident to be executed for witchcraft.